Man pours dish soap into the toilet. When I saw the result, I ran to try it. Clogged toilet can be a very difficult problem, especially if you do not have a plunger or you are too upset at the mere idea of using it. But do not worry. We have a perfect solution, which is not 100% effective, but many people have said that it works wonders in tight situations. The solution is to use dishwashing soap, but some say the liquid detergent is even more effective. This is how you can uncover the toilet without using a plunger. 1. Bring your liquid soap or detergent and pour half a cup into the toilet bowl clogged. Because soap is much thicker than water, it falls to the bottom. 2. Leave the soap for 20-30 minutes and watch the way you haggle through the obstruction to loosen the step. 3. About 20 minutes later, pour hot water into the container, but pour it slowly and be careful not to overflow the toilet. Slowly the obstruction must disintegrate. In case this trick is not effective the first time, you can repeat it once again. Some people even do it at night and leave it at night. In the morning the obstruction should disappear. Have you tried anything else that works great for a clogged toilet? If you have, share your trick.